Have you ever heard of a Cinquefolio flower? It's all right if you haven't. It's not a popular garden staple. Cinquefolios or potentilla are sometimes called five fingers, silverweeds, or barren strawberries. I just happened to run into one on a walk one day and I couldn't help but admire its glowing yellow flower. So this week's featured plant is Dwarf Cinquefolio, Potentilla canadensis. Dwarf Cinquefolio is a low-growing native ground cover. Its leaflets are narrowly egg-shaped with blunt tips, and each plant typically produces a single yellow flower. Each of the five petals is narrow at the base and rounded at the tip. The flower center is flattened and surrounded by 20 or more stamens, giving it a distinct starburst like appearance. Now, I should mention there was some common Cinquefolio growing nearby as well, but the one I choose to draw was definitely a dwarf. These two species have overlapping native ranges in New Jersey, so neither one is invasive, and both belong in the local ecosystem. Now, here's where it gets important for us fellow plant nerds. While dwarf cinquefoil is not currently considered threatened, it plays a crucial role as a host plant for the Appalachia grizzly skipper, a butterfly that is threatened. There's documentation showing invasive species and habitat loss are reducing cinquefoil populations across North America. That means this humble little ground cover is getting harder to find, and populations are getting further and further apart. So please, if you come across dwarf or common cinquefoil in the wild, leave it be and let it thrive. It's more needed than statistics say it is. Now, dwarf cinquefolio's native range is from Nova Scotia and Ontario, south to Georgia, and west to Tennessee, Missouri, and Ohio. It prefers dry open areas like roadsides, meadows, and woodland edges, especially in acidic soils, which makes me wonder. I have those exact conditions in parts of my garden. Maybe this plant could find a welcome home there. Perhaps maybe I should try. Let me know what you think in the comments. And always, don't forget to plant native and stay content.